Hey everybody, your boy Ghost here at Tampa Harley-Davidson again. We are almost at the end of the year, so what we're gonna do is showcase a few bikes right now, and actually not the bikes themselves, but the paint. Harley-Davidson came out with an Apex paint, which I'm gonna show you right now, and we got it on 3 of the touring models. The first one that we have here that we're showing you is gonna be the Road King Special in that Apex paint. Up on the tank, you'll see that underneath that orange stripe in that gray area, you got the Harley-Davidson logos that start out and then they fade into a gray just coupled to the front of the bike. So it's a really good looking paint job they did on these. And again, this is on the Road King Special. They've also done it on the Street Glide Special, the Road Glide Special, the Electric Glide Limited, and the Road Glide Limited. So you got this bike in 5 different models. We're lucky enough to have 3 right now. Nice thing about the Apex paint on these all coming on the specials or the full-on touring bikes is that with it being in the special, you got the 114 cubic inch motor that's going to be in any one of these paint jobs. It does come in a chrome or a blacked out finish, so you can have it either way. You can see with the Street Glide that Josh is shooting now, that is the blacked out version. When we get to the Limited here, that's the chrome version of it. So again, 2 different ways this bike can look to cater to the choice of what you like best. All right, everybody, so that is the Harley-Davidson Apex paint. Again, a limited edition, came out a few months ago. Great looking paint job on these bikes. Again, we've got 3 of them here at Tampa Harley-Davidson. Come check them out. We're on Dale Mabry Highway, or check us out 24/7 at hdflorida.com. Come in and check out your boy Ghost. Peace.